How to reverse a video or reel on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see that can you reverse a video or reel on your Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the video. So open the Instagram app. So for example, if I want to reverse a reel, if I want to reverse this reel, if I tap on these three dots in the bottom right side under share, here is option to share, link, save and remix, but there is no option to reverse. Now if I go to my Instagram camera and here if I recorded reel and try to reverse it, here is option of audio, effects, speed, collage, timer and align, but there is no option to reverse a video. So now to reverse a video, what you can do is that before uploading the video to Instagram, you can reverse it through using a video editor. So you can download a video editor like this. This video editor is, in short, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. So after downloading it and installing it, open the app and here tap on video and tap on new and select the video you want to reverse and tap on check in the bottom right corner. Slide this option to the left and here you will see the reverse option. Tap on it and your video will be reversed. So now you can save this video to your gallery and upload it to your Instagram. So to save this video, tap on save in the top right corner and here you can select resolution, frame rate and format. So tap on save and it will be saved to your phone's gallery. Now you can upload this video to your Instagram as reversed video. So this is how you can reverse video or reel on Instagram. Thanks for watching.